Hey guys, Zen up here. Today we're checking out the mini bolt action pen from ThruNite. Inside the box you get the pens themselves and a bag with an extra ink cartridge and a chain. So let's grab some paper and try these things out. Okay, let's write something out here. We'll write out L2 survive to YouTube. .com/. Well, that works out pretty okay. Bolt here. Quick ease it. I have pens like this, and I just sit here and click them all day long like that. Change out the ink cartridge. Twist over the end here. Pull out the spring and the pen. Nice and tight. Just a little fidget spinner clicky thing. Got a hole here in the top, and that goes for the chain. Guess we'll try that out. How long is this? Oh, that's kind of interesting. Oh, wow, I haven't had one of these kind of chains in a while. Zoom you out some. Not really all that long. There's a picture on the Amazons of this, and a lady having this around her neck and then leaning over and writing. I probably couldn't do that. You would have to get your head so close to the paper. It's also a picture of somebody, where does this come out? Oh. Also a picture of somebody using this on their key ring. Let's try that out. Here's one here. And nope. That's going to be top heavy. Alright, let's try this out though. I do have on this key ring this little hook here for extra keys or something that I want to have on real quick. That's too big for that. I think this is just going in my pocket. For a size comparison, the blue one on the right is my mini pen from Olight, and I carried this thing for about a year until I had to change the cartridge out, and then it just started leaking. So maybe I just didn't have the right cartridges, but got tired of having ink spots in my pants, so I stopped carrying it. And now I have this ThruNite, and it's a little bit smaller. Doesn't have a pocket clip, but I didn't really ever use that. So I think that this is going to go in my pocket now. And as long as it doesn't leak, I'm going to be really happy with this at work. And I can have one at home. So that is very cool. And I think these were like $9 each. Two for what, $20 or something, so that's pretty good. Have a pen with you always. If you put a pen in your pocket, you will use it every day. Well, that's all I have for this video. Bang around that bell icon if you want to be notified when new videos come out. Call us on the hotline if you have comments or questions and want to be featured in an upcoming video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Check us out on the website, and we'll see you guys on the next one.